My name is Dr. George King
金良成教授
from the Joslin Diabetes Center and Harvard Medical School.
係加斯林糖尿病中心同埋哈佛醫學院嗰邊嘅。
So, this is our second time here.
我哋今次我哋第二次翻嚟。
So we're going to talk about why does everybody afraid of diabetes.
我哋講下點解大家都會好驚有糖尿病。
So the reason everybody's afraid of diabetes is because of the bad things it will cause.
大家好驚有糖尿病咧，係因為好怕嗰啲唔好嘅嘢會因住糖尿病而嚟。
It's one of the major cause of blindness in this country.
糖尿病係喺呢個國家裏面最主要引起有失明嘅原因。
And especially important for the Chinese people is actually one of the major cause of kidney failure.
至於喺華人方面咧，糖尿病係一個主要原因導致有腎衰竭嘅。
And when you have kidney failure, you have to go dialysis.
當你有腎衰竭咧，你需要去洗腎。
And another reason people are afraid of diabetes is it could cause your feet to go numb, and then it's actually one of the highest cause of amputation in this country.
另一個併發症咧，就係咧隻腳咧會覺得麻痹啦、冇感覺啦，然之後咧就有截肢嘅可能。咁樣咧，糖尿病就係其中一個好大原因有截肢嘅形成嘅。
Another reason is one of the major contributor for your stroke and heart disease.
糖尿病亦都係咧會提高你有呢個中風啦，同埋咧有心血管病嘅風險。
And another thing that people don't like about diabetes is because it's a major cause of especially you're over 60 years old, your major cause of reason for you to lose your teeth.
另一個就係咧，如果你60歲以上嘅話咧，糖尿病咧會其中一個令你提高會冇晒啲牙嘅一個因素嚟嘅。
So that's the reason why we want to control the diabetes.
所以咧呢個係就我哋好想去控制糖尿病嘅原因。
And we actually can control diabetes if you just follow some very simple instructions.
其實咧，你係可以控制糖尿病嘅喎，只要咧跟從一啲好簡單嘅指示就得㗎啦。
Now, so last time we said that for some reason we don't know why Chinese people develop a lot of diabetes even though we are very thin.
上一次咧，我哋講到就係話，唔知點解華人比較瘦，但係都有咁多人會有糖尿病。
So many of your doctors and nurses actually don't realize you may have diabetes because you look very thin. So that's why we want to test you.
可能你嘅醫生啊、護士啊，未必知道你有糖尿病，因為咧你身體比較瘦，所以咧我哋就好想咧喺呢度幫你驗血，去睇下你個糖尿病嘅風險。
All right, so we hear a lot that you have a little bit of diabetes.
我哋聽到好多咧就話，可能你會有一啲少少糖尿病啦咁。
There's no such thing as a little diabetes.
其實咧冇一啲嘢叫做得少少糖尿病，係冇呢樣嘢嘅。
So either you have diabetes or you don't have diabetes.
淨係得有糖尿病同埋冇糖尿病嘅啫。
Okay, so that's why you want to control all these, control your diabetes so you don't develop all these bad things.
所以咧就好想就係好好控制你嘅血糖、你個糖尿病，咁樣咧就唔會有呢啲嘅併發症啦。
So the way to control diabetes is make sure your glucose is in a good range.
去控制糖尿病咧，一個最主要因素就係要確保咧你個血糖係控制一個好嘅範圍裏面。
So the number you want to mention, we have a very good test, and that test is called hemoglobin A1C.
我哋咧有一個好好嘅測試咧，就係叫做糖化血紅素。
And if you want to keep the hemoglobin A1C below 7.
我哋咧想將呢個數字咧係維持喺7或者以下。
All right. So now the eye problem is we have good treatments for eye problem now.
我哋而家咧有一個好好嘅方法去處理啲眼嘅問題。
Now, a few years ago, 10, 15 years ago, many diabetic patients become blind.
喺10到15年前左右啦，好多有糖尿病嘅人咧都會失明嘅。
But now only 2 to 4 diabetic patients out of 100 will have blindness.
但係而家咧，每100個人有糖尿病咧，可能得2個到4個人先至會有失明嘅。
So, but the problem is the people need to get their eye examined.
但係好重要咧，就係咧，你需要將你嘅眼咧要經常要檢查。
Because by us just looking at you, we cannot tell if you have eye disease.
因為咧，我哋就咁睇你咧，係唔知道你有冇眼疾嘅喎。
So the eye doctor has to look inside your eyes, and in order for us to know, and if we know, then we could prevent the loss of loss of vision.
好重要咧，就係咧，你要去揾你嘅眼科醫生去睇下你眼入邊究竟有冇問題。咁樣如果有問題咧，就及早預防，咁就可以唔會有毛病啦。
The same thing for the kidney disease. So for some reason we don't understand, probably because blood pressure is high for Chinese people, that kidney disease seems to be much higher in Chinese people than other people.
另外一個咧就係腎病啦，咁我哋都唔知道㗎，但係咧可能因為係華人啦有高血壓嘅情況比較多啲，咁所以咧就影響個腎嘅健康。
So blood pressure is important, and how much fat you eat is important.
血壓好重要啦，同埋咧你食幾多脂肪嘅嘢啦都好重要嘅。
Yeah. So Karen's going to talk about food a little later, but so some of the Chinese food is not very good, like yutao, right? Yutao and macho, right?
咁咧，我陣間咧就會同大家講下有關健康飲食嘅。咁喺好多我哋平時食嘅嘢食裏面都未必好健康，好似油炸鬼啊、煎堆啊嗰啲咁樣都唔係特別健康嘅嘢食。
All right, so Karen's going to talk about it. But one thing you can do is exercise.
另外一樣嘢咧可以做嘅咧就係多運動。
So the weather's beautiful now, and I see this beautiful flowers out there. So you should try to walk as much as possible.
而家天氣咧就好好啦，頭先見到外邊都有啲花啊都出咗嚟啦，咁樣而家天氣咁好，就應該咧就多到外面咧行下嘅。
So my mother-in-law is 92, and she walks at least 1 hour a day.
金教授嘅外母咧就係佢就佢都92歲啦，佢而家每日都喺外邊行嘅。
Okay, so smoking, if you don't, it's very important you don't smoke.
如果你有食煙嘅話咧，好重要就係要戒煙。
So if you smoke, you could really hurt your heart and your leg.
如果咧你食煙嘅話咧，對你個心啦同埋你嘅腳咧都其實有好大嘅影響嘅喎。
Now for your kidney problem, we need to control your blood pressure.
至於你嘅腎嘅健康方面咧，我哋需要好好控制你個血壓。
And Karen will talk to you about food. The salt is a major problem because that's your blood pressure. It makes your blood pressure out of control. And if you eat too much salt, your leg will swell up, and it will cause heart problem as well.
嗱，我陣間咧就會講下點樣食嘢可以食揀啲冇咁鹹嘅嘢食，因為咧好多鹹嘅嘢食咧會令你嘅血壓升高，咁就會令你嘅腳腫啊各樣嘢嘅，咁所以食嘢方面好重要嘅。
Yeah, I was talking about my mother-in-law, who's 92. Other day, both her legs swelled up, and we found out she likes to drink tomato juice, and turned out tomato juice have a lot of salt, and so she just stopped drinking tomato juice, and the swelling on her both legs went away.
金教授頭先講就係佢個外母咧就係92歲啦，先排咧就發現咧佢兩隻腳咧都腫咗，有好多水腫喎。因為咧原來發現之後咧就係佢每日飲好多嘅茄汁啊，其實茄汁裏面咧有好高嘅鹽分，咁一停咗飲之後咧腳腫都冇晒事啦。
Because when your legs swell up like that, it's a bad sign for your kidney and for your heart, right?
當你有腳腫嘅時候咧，其實咧亦都係一個警號，就係你個心啦同埋你嘅腎臟咧都未必係咁好嘅。
So diet and exercise are very, very important.
飲食咧同埋運動咧都係十分之重要。
And if you have to control your blood pressure, because blood pressure is bad for the heart. High blood pressure is bad for the heart and the kidney. So make sure your nurse and your doctors measure your blood pressure. I'm sure here there must be where's Lola? I'm sure they have blood pressure people to measure blood pressure in the powerhouse too, right?
咁咧記住咧血壓好重要啦，記住揾你嘅醫生啦、護士啦去量你嘅血壓。我都相信呢度都有人會嚟呢度探你哋，即係到訪嘅時候都會幫你哋量血壓嘅。
Now, you need to take care of your feet.
你都要咧好好去保護你嘅腳喎。
So it's very, very important to take care of your feet because it's very difficult to walk without your feet.
佢好重要去好好保護你隻腳，因為冇隻腳點行路咧？好重要嘅。
Yeah, so if you don't have feet, it is, make everything more difficult. Now, how do you protect your feet?
點樣可以去好好保護你隻腳咧？
Well, you need to look at it every day.
你首先第一樣嘢就每日都要檢查你嘅腳。
So it's very important to look at your feet every day and wash it and keep it clean and dry.
好重要就係每一日都要檢查你嘅腳，要洗得乾乾淨淨，同埋咧要保持乾爽嘅。
Okay, because sometimes when you get older and when you have diabetes, your feet will be numb and you don't know if it's cracked or it's bleeding and you can't actually tell.
好多時候咧，當你有糖尿病啦，你隻腳咧會未必有咁好嘅感覺，所以有損傷啊嘅時候咧，你都未必知道嘅，所以咧一定要檢查先知。
And it's important to wear socks even in the summer. Make sure you wear white socks.
佢都好重要咧，就係要着襪啦。就算係夏天嘅時候咧，都要着襪，仲要着白色嘅襪。
Do you know why we want white socks? You want to wear white socks?
知唔知點解要着白色嘅襪啊？
The reason you want white socks is because if it gets dirty, you'll know very quickly.
因為着白色嘅襪咧，係因為如果污糟咗，你好快會知道。
Two is that if you have a cut on your feet and if it bleed, you can see the blood very quickly.
如果咧你隻腳有損傷有流血咧，你着白襪嘅話咧，就好快就睇得到啦。
And that's very important because you want to keep it clean. And when you're older, your feet become a little number. And especially if you have diabetes, you don't even know when you have a cut.
所以好重要咧，就要保持乾淨，同埋當你年紀大咗嘅時候，腳咧未必感覺得咁好，同埋有糖尿病就真係未必即係一定會知道可能會隻腳有損傷嘅。
If you don't keep it clean, you'll get infected. And because you're older and your diabetes, your repair process is not so strong, and then the cut will make it worse and get infected. Then that's why leading to amputations.
如果隻腳唔乾淨咧，就好易隻腳咧會受到感染嘅。咁如果你有損傷啊，咁喺年紀大咗同埋有糖尿病嘅時候咧，痊愈嘅時間比較長。咁如果又唔乾淨又有傷口嘅話咧，咁就好易感染啦。咁因為感染嘅話咧，就好容易咧就會引起有需要截肢嘅原因。
So, but it's very simple. It's very simple to prevent it. Just look at it every day, keep it clean and dry. Very important to be dry, and make sure you wear socks and white socks if it's possible, and then you will not lose your feet.
其實保護隻腳好簡單，只要係洗得乾淨啦， 保持乾爽啦，同埋每日咧都要檢查隻腳，同埋着白色嘅襪，咁樣咧都已經可以保護咗你隻腳，唔會咁容易咧會有截肢㗎啦。
Now the next thing is your teeth.
好，另一樣咧就係嘅牙齒口腔健康啦。
So there's a very interesting. So how many people here have 8 teeth? How many people in the mouth now have 8 teeth?
好，睇下口腔健康，呢度有幾多人口裏面有8隻牙或以上
？If you're over 70 years old and you still have 8 teeth or more, you live longer than people who are over 70 who have less than 8 teeth.
原來咧有研究話咧，如果你70歲或以上，如果你有8隻牙或以上嘅話咧，你可以活得長命過嗰啲少過8隻牙嘅人咧。
So the reason is, so it's very important. The reason is how many teeth you have. Is your food, the type of food you eat, it depends on how good your teeth is.
點解啲牙咁重要咧？因為你嘅牙咧會影響究竟你食嘅嘢係啲乜嘢啊，你嘅營養會係啲乜嘢嘅。
So it's very important to. So how do you protect? You lose your teeth. You make sure you have your dentist checked, have your teeth checked at least once or twice a year.
點樣可以保護啲牙咧？首先第一樣好重要就係咧要去睇牙醫，至少每年要1次到2次嘅。
You need to brush your teeth after every time you eat.
每一次食完嘢之後都刷牙。
And you need to stop smoking if you're smoking.
如果你食煙嘅話咧，要戒煙啦，要停止啦，唔好食啦。
And you want to make sure your mouth doesn't have infections.
同埋確保咧口咧冇任何嘅感染嘅。
All right.